Good day, everybody. No cooking video today, except I am cooking. Instead, Busy Dad has a question. I have been wondering if there's anybody out there worried about the coronavirus, and specifically worried about if I have to spend 2 weeks at home self-quarantined, what am I gonna cook? Now, I would imagine that for some of my regulars on this channel so far, I can tell you already know how to cook, and so this probably isn't a real problem for you, but I wonder if there's people who might be more interested in seeing stuff like that. Things like, I have nothing at home in the cupboard, what do I cook? Of course nobody has literally nothing, people have something. And usually you can make a pretty decent meal out of it. So, simple food you can prepare by yourself, maybe when you're not feeling well. I wonder if anybody would like to see that. So anyway, that's just something I've been thinking about. I wonder if people are interested in that. Let me know in the comments. Are you stuck at home? Are you worried about being stuck at home? What ingredients do you have in the pantry? Beans, pasta, rice, potatoes, canned vegetables, tomatoes. I don't know. Let me know if you want to see anything like that. It will be simple stuff, not complicated. Maybe people would like it. I don't know. Let me know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. And join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking. Time for lunch.